Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to An Evening in Paris. The Weight Loss Surgery Foundation of America welcomes you to our 4th annual Mother of All Meet and Greets. We are honored that you have chosen to join us this year. The support you provide by attending this fundraising event gives life to the only grant referral program in the world for weight loss and reconstructive surgery. Without the backing of fellow weight loss surgery patients, medical professionals, and industry partners like Celebrate Vitamins, our host tonight, the WLSFA could not exist. The 8 grants funded would still be just a hopeless dream for those who have now had their dreams come true. Thank you. Let us begin tonight's journey by remembering. Let us look back to the moment a dream was born, lives were changed, and compassion won over logic. The story you're about to see is the story of identical twin sisters. While one is surviving, the other is thriving.
My name is Rosemary Almgren, and my highest weight was 447 pounds. I have a sister, a twin sister. Her name is Connie.
I'm Connie Bailey. I live in Dallas, Texas. I'm a grandmother of 2 children. I have a wonderful husband. I am very blessed to have a twin, because without her, I couldn't function. We've been close since we were little.
Connie and I were big babies. And, you know, a big baby to the Hispanic family is a healthy baby, okay? A skinny baby is a, not very well fed, and, they don't see that as good. They see it as, not fed. So we were big babies. I had no idea that she had already tried to get gastric bypass. I had no idea what gastric bypass was. When the doctor began to explain it to me, I was like, oh, Connie. Well, I got home. I didn't have a cell phone back then. I got home and I started explaining to her. She goes, yeah, I know about gastric bypass. I've been trying to get it. I go, what do you mean? She goes, well, I got denied. My insurance keeps denying me. And I said, well, Connie, I just got approved. And I remember that moment because I thought, I didn't know very much about gastric bypass, but I thought, how can I be told I'm approved and not you?
When she was approved for having gastric bypass, to me that was a big blessing. But then I also thought I was going to get approved because I had the same insurance she did. And it didn't happen. The insurance said that there was a clause and that they would not cover any obesity. I have real bad knees, so I was going to try to get knee surgery. So the surgeon said, well, let me do a letter. He goes, because really, I could do the surgery, but because of your weight, if you don't lose that weight, it's not going to help you. I need that weight off of you. So he did a beautiful letter. He talked to my doctor, and she did a letter, and they also denied me.
There's always that hope. But when she kept getting denied and denied and denied, and I kept losing more weight, and I kept finding my person, who I was becoming, it brought me to the realization that maybe she's never, ever going to see it.
It felt like somebody had just shot me in the head. I felt like it's over, it's done with. I'm going to be big for the rest of my life. I'm tired of fighting. I'm tired of dealing with the insurance companies because they make me feel like, okay, something's going to happen this time. All you need is this and this and this and that, and you need to see the nutrition, and you're going to get it. You're going to get it this time. And then they deny me. And when they denied me that time, I felt like I had been shot. My heart was aching.
I want Connie to live her life with her husband the way I'm living mine. When she said that Connie's going to be the first recipient, I'm like, what? I I stopped. I couldn't hardly breathe. I was like someone just hit me in the stomach, but in a good way, And it was like I felt for the first time, it's gonna happen. She's gonna get to be me. She's gonna get to step in these shoes. Ow. I couldn't hardly contain myself.
I get the phone call, and Rosemary says, "Are you sitting down?" I said, "Yeah, what?" And I'm thinking the worst. I'm like, "Rosemary, what's the matter? Are you sitting down?" I go, "Yes, I'm sitting down. What's happening? What happened?" I'm thinking something's wrong with her husband, or she's coming back to Dallas or something. And she says, and she starts crying, which is no good news for me. So I'm getting even more upset. And she goes, "Connie, you're getting the surgery." And I could not stop crying. I was so excited.
The WLSFA has now funded 8 surgery grants and will announce our newest grant recipients tonight. As you enjoy this weekend's inspirational, motivational, and educational moments, please remember why we are here. We are paying it forward as a community to give the gift of a healthy life to those who are denied the medical treatments they need. The WLSFA thanks you all for saving lives one grant at a time. And now please welcome to our stage fellow weight loss surgery patient, medical professional, and entertainer, the wonderful, talented, and might I add, blingy master of ceremonies, Chaz Martino.